Right now, Riverside police are looking for two men who investigators say tried to lure a child into their car. Good evening, I'm Megan O'Rourke. The incident happened tonight around 6. Alexa Ashwell is live in Riverside with the breaking details in our top story at 11.
Megan, this happened in a neighborhood in the northern part of Riverside. Police do not want to reveal an exact location, but they do tell us an 11-year-old girl was playing outside on her neighborhood playground when she noticed two men in a dark-colored Jeep Cherokee circling her area. Now, she was with a friend. The girl told police when her friend left, the two men stopped their SUV and told her to come towards them. She refused and ran to get help. That's when the suspects drove off, and at this hour, police are still looking for them. In fact, Riverside PD has put out a statewide alert to all agencies to be on the lookout.
Two darker-skinned males, could be black males, possibly Hispanic males, had no shirt on, blue jeans. They did exit the car, which shows a fair amount of intent, and they did try and talk to the little girl on her feet. One of them got back in the car, but the driver persisted. Eventually they gave up and left, but that was probably because she was leaving the area.
Now, police also tell us both men had a substantial amount of tattoos, and one of them was wearing very large earrings. If you have any information, you're asked to contact your local law enforcement agency or 911. Reporting live in Riverside, Alexa Ashwell, 2 News.